Do you need a nurse case manager to follow you around in your workers' comp case in the state of Mississippi if you're injured on the job? Hi, I'm Kevin Runlett with Runlett Law Firm. We focus on helping injured workers in the state. And today we're talking about nurse case managers. We've covered this in other videos in the past, but I wanted to go back and touch on it again. So first of all, what is a nurse case manager? Nurse case manager is a medical provider, registered nurse most of the time, who is hired by the workers' comp insurance company to track your case. So they do some good. A lot of them do. And we've had some good experiences with some nurse case managers. However, if we don't know that nurse case manager, if we have not dealt with them before, chances are we are not going to allow them to follow you around to your appointments. Are you entitled to do that? Absolutely. You do not have to let a third party come into your medical visits with you. That can cause anxiety and stress. It can cause you maybe not to be as honest with your doctor as you'd like to be. It may cause your doctor not to be as honest with you as he should be. So most of the time, we do not allow nurse case managers to have what we call ex parte conversations with your doctor, meaning outside of your presence, and we don't allow them to come into visits. There are a few exceptions to that. Like I said, if we know the nurse case manager and they're very helpful and they are straight down the line, they're not trying to bias any opinions either way, then sometimes we will allow that. But really each situation needs to be looked at. But the default should be to not allow that to happen, especially if you're not represented by an attorney. It's usually best not to allow that to happen. Why? Well, if they're being paid by the insurance company, some people just can't help but have a bias towards the insurance company. The insurance company does not want to pay you the maximum benefits. They want to get out as cheaply as possible, and they're paying for that nurse case manager. So there's a chance for conflict there, real chance. In my opinion, in some of our courts, we have what's called, like the Chancery Court has what's called a guardian ad litem, which is an expert third party, not connected to either of the parties. If there's a case where child custody is involved, that guardian ad litem will come in and interview all the parties, is hired by the court, who is also to be a neutral party, looks into the situation and provides a report as to their opinion as to what should happen. And that's what my opinion is, should be in workers' comp with nurse case managers. The Workers' Comp Commission of the state should pay for those to where there is no bias. They're down the middle. They're just trying to find out exactly what's going on. We'll give an honest report. Now, like I said, there are some really good ones out there, so I'm not dogging on all of the nurse case managers, but we have seen enough situations where it appeared there was some bias and we weren't really getting a neutral opinion or a neutral assistance, and it was causing problems with the case, where we default to not allowing that, but we will consider it in some situations. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to us. It really does help. And I hope you enjoyed these videos, and I hope you are enjoying them and it's giving you some assistance. If you need anything, let us know.